Hey y'all, it's Chris, and today I have the Ma Maniere Jordan 5s in the Dawn colorway. Jordan Brand and Ma Maniere teamed up once again to bring an elegant take to a classic Jordan model. Design details feature a new collar shape and tongue height that have been further redefined for a more sophisticated look. We have premium materials and custom accents that round out the execution, giving us a stunning recreation of the once again classic. Headquartered in Atlanta, Georgia, Ma Maniere has rapidly emerged as one of the top collaborators with Jordan Brand. Adorned in hues of Photon Dust, Pale Ivory, Black, and Diffused Blue, this sneaker is designed exclusively for women, following the trend set by notable projects from James Whitner and his team at Ma Maniere. The Dawn colorway officially launched on November 17, 2023 at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on mamaniere.com. This sneaker was priced at $225. It came in women's sizing, ranging from a woman's 5 all the way to a woman's 16.5. The Jordan 5 is Tinker Hatfield's 5th creation for Jordan Brand. This collaboration receives a premium construction evident throughout the sneaker packaging and prominent co-branding. Majority of the upper has an understated finish, but the diffused blue accents and age aesthetic, which are great characteristics of all the Ma Maniere collaborations, definitely add depth to the sneaker. This collaboration departs from the performance-oriented design of the 1990 Jordan 5 sneaker model. The sneaker's tongue and collar both undergo modifications that add comfort and overall style. The heel of the sneaker has Nike Air embroidered, while the side has the Jumpman 23, and the tongue of the left shoe has the Ma Maniere logo, just solidifying the collaboration between both of the parties. The Ma Maniere Jordan 5 Dawn colorway is crafted with a dark gray, very low suede. From the original pictures, I thought the sneaker was going to be made with leather, but it's suede. I appreciate a leather Jordan 5. The suede does not bother me at all, but I know if this sneaker gets stepped on, it's gonna leave a mark. The toe cap is in the same flat suede that's also covering the mid panel of the sneakers and the eyelets. The eyelets are usually made out of TPU, but this shoe is highly premium with an all leather construction. So instead of TPU, you have more of that flat gray suede. On the mid panel, instead of the usual netting, this sneaker features the Ma Maniere monogram A all over in an aged vintage finish, adding more elements to the high-end feel of the sneaker overall. Getting into the collar of the sneaker, as you can see, it's completely slimmed down. It's very flat, unlike the normal Air Jordan 5. I actually love the flattened version of the Air Jordan 5. We've seen it before on the Jordan 5 DJ Khaled's We the Best, and now we see it again on the Ma Maniere Jordan 5. I just feel like the flattened version of the collar adds a lot of detail and makes the sneaker easier to wear. For example, the side panels won't rub together as you walk. Turning the sneaker over to its side, we have an embroidered 23 in diffused blue and black. When it comes to laces, Jordan Brand and Ma Maniere provided us with 3 total. We have the gray laces that are already in the sneaker, and we also have an off-white and a white lace. Me personally, I'm going to keep in the gray laces just so the whole tie shoe remains cohesive, but I have seen pictures online with the cream laces, but never the white. I feel like the cream laces definitely play off the accents of the aged aesthetic of the sneaker that we see on the netting, side panels, and all of that. But I don't feel like the tan laces really belong in this shoe. Once again, I'm going to keep the gray laces in my sneakers. Taking a quick peek underneath the laces, we have more of that netting. This netting is once again in the Ma Maniere A monogram logo instead of the usual Jordan 5 tongue that we've seen on many other creations. Taking a peek underneath the laces, we have more of that Ma Maniere monogram A logo netting on the tongue. It's once again in that aged aesthetic. The tongue itself is covered in 3M material. On the right shoe, we have a Jordan Jumpman, while on the left shoe, we have A for Ma Maniere. This tongue is silver and it's shorter, like I said once before. It's also thinner than what we're used to when it comes to Jordan 5s. On the back of the tongue and just the interior of the sneaker altogether, we have one of the coolest parts. The entirety of the interior is a woven blue color liner, and if you look closely, you can see the Ma Maniere A logo woven all throughout. We also have Ma Maniere branding on the left foot and Michael Jordan signature on the right foot. The insoles of this sneaker have also been enhanced as well. As you can see, we have Nike Air branding embroidered on the insole, and it's a little bit thicker and a lot more plush than the usual Jordan 5 insole. This insole is also not taped and or glued down to the interior of the sneaker. You can fully pull it out and you can see there's no glue residue and or tape. The midsole of the Ma Maniere Jordan 5 Dawns is mostly dressed in black, but we do have hits of diffused blue and more of that aged aesthetic on the outsole. Turning the sneaker over to the bottom, the outsole is given an aged look with the Ma Maniere logo on the left foot and the Jumpman logo on the right. Now let's get into sizing. Although the sneaker is a woman's size Jordan 5, they seem to fit like an ordinary Jordan 5, but we do have a bit more room since the sneaker is in a thinner construction. So feel free to go true to size or even a half size up. I usually go a half size up since I love to have a little bit of extra room in all of my sneakers. When it comes to women's sizing, keep in mind that women's sizing is 1.5 higher than men's sizing. This right here is a woman's 14.5, which means it's a men's 13 because 14.5 is 1.5 higher than 13. So if you are getting this sneaker for yourself, please make sure you go up 1.5 higher than your normal men's size. When it comes to comfort, the comfort for this Jordan 5 Ma Maniere is alright. After all, it is just a Jordan 5. We know there's no new technology or cushioning when it comes to the sneaker. This model is thinner than what we're used to, so there will be more room in this sneaker. The insole is also a little bit more plush, so the comfort is a little bit higher than a normal Jordan 5, but not that much. It's barely even noticeable. When it comes to quality and craftsmanship, these get a 9 out of 10 for me. I don't have any glue or loose threading, but I do have slight wrinkles on my toe box of my right shoe, which brought this down from a 10 out of 10 to a 9 out of 10. The build of the sneaker is very good, but I also wish they used leather instead of suede because suede is not gonna hold up in these New York City streets. I'm definitely gonna have to treat these with some Crep Protect or Rejuvenator to make sure they are water and stain proof at all times. The small changes that Ma Maniere did to these sneakers definitely elevated them. The netting that has the Ma Maniere logo instead of just regular netting is crazy. It's nice and aged. The shortened tongue, the thinner collar definitely makes this sneaker more appealing and definitely more wearable. This is a sneaker that you can definitely wear casually, and I'm going to figure out a way to dress these up. When it comes to packaging, this sneaker came in a blue box matching the blue that's on the shoe. We have the Ma Maniere monogram all over as well. On the inside of the lid, we also have Ma Maniere branding with a photo of somebody wearing the 5s. The Ma Maniere monogram is also all over the paper. Their color scheme and promotional efforts aligned with the reoccurring themes associated with the Whitaker's Group's ventures: the strength of Black women, the pursuit of dreams, and the advancement of opportunities for Black and brown individuals. This sneaker is 1 out of 2 in the Ma Maniere Jordan 5 Still We Rise collection. Still We Rise from dusk till dawn is a phrase that conveys resilience, determination, and perseverance in the face of challenges and adversity. Still We Rise is a powerful declaration of the ability to overcome all obstacles and rise above difficulties. It implies a refusal to be defeated and a commitment to continue moving forward despite setbacks. From dusk till dawn is a metaphorical expression representing the entirety of the day, from the darkness of dusk to the light of dawn. This phrase suggests a continuous effort, working tirelessly and persistently throughout the day and night. It emphasizes a relentless pursuit of goals and aspirations. Together, the phrase communicates a message of unwavering strength, endurance, determination to prevail, no matter how difficult the journey may be. We will always work hard and rise from dusk till dawn. When it comes to the resale of the Jordan 5 Ma Maniere, the sneaker is a few dollars over the retail price. I, unfortunately, had to pay resale for mine as well. They were around $306 before taxes and fees, but I sold a pair of sneakers in my collection and I only had to add $115 to get this sneaker in my size. Right now, they're going for around $250 to $350 in various sizes. The price will definitely go up, so if you want your pair, get your hands on them as as soon as possible. There are a few restocks here and there, so if you want, you could wait it out, but I would just pull the trigger on the resale market. Before I get out of here, my name is Claxton, and this is my platform, Something Like Media, a hub for all things sneakers, fashion, creativity, and pop culture. If you like what you see here and you want to see more sneaker reviews, please leave a like, comment, and share. It's a small step for you, but it means a great deal to me. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the on feed. I'm out of here. Peace.